Hi, if you're looking for a bit of a review of the Harbour Breeze Merrimack 2 ceiling fan, then this is probably one of the better reviews we've found on YouTube. There's not a lot of reviews about the Merrimack 2 ceiling fan on YouTube that are reasonable. So this one we'll play a little bit for you, and we'll give you the link in the description below, so you can go and check it out, the full length of the video out below.
Chains, and it has a pretty funky globe. There's the reverse switch. There's the Harbour Breeze logo. The blades are reversible. I believe this is barnwood to, I believe that's black. There's the top shot. Oh yeah, we also put a new plug on it because the old one was too rusty and it didn't have a ground wire. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low.
So that's the Harbour Breeze Merrimack 2 ceiling fan. Check out the link in the video below to see the rest of that video on a review of that particular model. If you want to get more information about the Merrimack 1 and Merrimack 2 ceiling fan, including installation instructions, reviews, manuals, then please visit our website hamptonlightingadvice.com. The link again is below in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.